Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a photo to a group on the Instagram app using your PC, following the latest update. This process is straightforward and lets you share your favorite moments with friends and family right from your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu on your screen. You'll see several icons there. Click on the Messages icon, which looks like a paper airplane. This will open your direct messages where you can chat with individuals or groups. Next, find the group you want to send a photo to in your message list. Click on that group to open the conversation window. At the bottom of this chat window, you'll see the message bar where you normally type your messages. Right next to it, there's a photo icon. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the photo icon, a File Explorer window will pop up. This allows you to browse your PC for the photo you want to share. Select the photo you want to send and click Open. The photo will then load into the message bar. Finally, click the Send button to share the photo with everyone in the group. Instagram will upload and deliver your photo instantly, making it easy to stay connected and share your memories. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly send photos to any Instagram group directly from your PC using the updated app. Give it a try and keep your group chats lively with your favorite pictures.